Hi, I'm Lisa Tenner, and I am one of Tamara Monosoff's happy clients and published authors, award winning. And I just want to say that if you are thinking of working with Tamara, it's one of the best things I ever did, one of the best decisions I ever made, and one of the most delightful adventures. Tamara is an amazing person and a gem as a publisher and launch strategist. And so that was the first book I did with Tamara. It wasn't my first book. My first book was actually traditionally published. And I have to say that working with Tamara was a better experience. Here is the Joy of Writing Journal, and you can see it won 5 awards. So Tamara is just, again, an incredible partner. And she did this beautiful cover. And she really worked hard until I was like 100% happy with it. So we went through some iterations and I was just thrilled. I think it's such a beautiful book. She did a beautiful job in the inner design of this book. And you saw the QR codes. If you've heard anything about Tamara's work, you can scan the QR code and go to videos and audios that make the book come alive for you. So that book won the Nautilus Book Award, the Ben Franklin, the Independent Book Award, National Indie Excellence, and the Living Now Book Award. So I was really thrilled with that experience. My next book, I had been thinking of traditionally publishing, but after that great experience with Tamara, I self-published Breathe Right Breathe, and it was just published just over 2 weeks ago. It immediately became a #1 Amazon bestseller in 2 categories. And then in the third category, creativity, it's a really competitive category. And we decided to do that one because it meant a lot to me. And my book became #13, and I saw it next to books that included Big Magic and Juliet Cameron's The Artist's Way. So 2 books that mean a lot to me. And it was so exciting to see my book next to those in the Amazon charts. She just was a dream to work with and again had so many great ideas herself. And then she had this incredible launch party for me. A launch party, it's so nice to have somebody else leading it. You just show up authentically, you excited about your new book and, ready to share. Well, she helped me make sure there would be a lot of people on the call, which was very helpful. And she helped me with all the emails. She gave me email templates. And so we had an incredible time. The energy of that was so great. And I think that's important for an author after all that work you do to have something like that. She is such a strategic partner. She is just a joy to work with, and she puts heart and soul into a project. When I think of the hours that she worked on my book, it really is a steal to be able to get Tamara's creative input and her strategic mind and just the hard work she does for the price that she charges. I think is just an incredible deal. But I would say it is worth every penny. And I don't know where you could get this level of support for this kind of price anywhere. It is amazing and extraordinary what she brings to the table as a publisher and a launch strategist. So thank you, Tamara.